ready or not, here we go. We are in between Niagara-on-the-Lake and Niagara Falls. This is the line of the US and the Canadian border. There's a boat passing there. I just caught it. There you go. I had no choice to make a video right now. So I want to thanks for the viewer. All the viewer was awesome. And thanks for everything. I'm gonna miss some people, or I'm gonna miss to say something. We are at the Hydro Dam, Canada Dam here. The end of the canal. I had a short on that the canal ends here, and this is the US. That's all USA. Right on the other side of the river. You see the river? In the middle of the river, probably should be around the middle. It's USA, United States of America. So thanks for the viewer. I don't know if I had a drive-by by ride along, or it just happened, or but I sure did had like 500 views on a video, on 2 video actually, almost, or it might be at 5 now. So I wasn't prepared, but I seen the boat coming, so I made a video of right here. I'm not sure when I'm gonna post it, or like I'm not sure when I'm gonna put it in my YouTube channel. I'll show this side too. This is Canada side. Look at the forest. Almost a forest. Look at the tree here. Let's see back this view here. I had it on Zoom. And I'm gonna zoom here. There's a road there. Ernie, Bobby, if you ever come. I'm gonna try to zoom it. I can't see very well. Oh no, right there. Right there, yeah. There's a road coming. Right over there. It's coming anyway. It's going along your side. You can sure one wheel on this side. Anyway, Bobby, I did put in a comment you could, but I think you read my comment and you didn't say anything. But yes, you sure can. This is my e-bike. That's how I got here. If you're still watching. So the river goes to Ontario-on-the-Lake. Ontario-on-the-Lake that way. Niagara Falls that way. So it's almost 4 minutes. Oh, the bridge. You see the bridge? That's the USA bridge. I don't know what the name is. It's the other crossing border. You end up on Queen Elizabeth Highway. There's the bridge. Trucks are passing right now on it. So I'll catch you on the next one. I might do another one on my way. I just arrived here and I want to catch that boat. So thanks for everybody's comment and view and subscribe if you like. I'll show you around Niagara Falls area. I'll go to Ontario-on-the-Lake too. There's quite a big current here. It's not too wide, it's very deep, I think. Later.